2009 Corvette Grand Sport in here. The customer came in with a Corsa system where the connection pipe to the inlet of the muffler completely snapped off. So we had to bring the muffler down, weld it back on, whatever. Pretty much we did an exhaust repair for him, but just for the exhaust purposes, I'm not sure if it's a Corsa Sport or a Corsa Extreme, but there's no middle resonators. It's a straight cat pack with just these two mufflers in the back. All right, so it's a Corsa system. I'm not sure if it's Corsa Sport or Corsa Extreme. So let's bring it down, fire it up. It's probably Corsa Extreme.